Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We've got market conditions that are still showing indecisive trading, where we're seeing the Dow still in a slow uptrend, but today it had a big down day. At the same time, the NASDAQ had a strong up day coming out of a J-hook pattern. Notice how it bounced off the 50, came back up, giving us a J-hook pattern, which implies there's more upside probably in the NASDAQ area. This is allowing for some very powerful pattern setups to take advantage of. We recommended AVIR today because look at your series of dojis. Anytime you see that indecision, and then you see what their decision was, the probabilities are not only are you going to be in the right direction, but the magnitude of the move is going to be relatively strong. The pattern setups as in the fry pan bottom. This is what we call 2+2 analysis. You can see the fry pan bottom, but you can also see as the fry pan bottom was developing, there was kind of a little dimple right here. This makes the analysis of human nature very simple. Right here to here is usually about the same magnitude or same time frame as here from the middle point to here. Now, when you add the prospect, that when you got right here at about the same magnitude or the same time frame, they came out through the 50. This is what you call 2+2 analysis. This is about the area where you're expecting to see a breakout. And what do you think is everybody else is watching? They're watching to see if the 50-day moving average is going to be a breakout mode. Then they get confident. We could be buying right here knowing the probabilities are pretty strong that you not only have a fry pan bottom breakout, but everybody else is going to start rushing in. That's our same recommendation on eyes. Look at your fry pan bottom and look where it closed today, just above the 50. If this opens positive tomorrow, you've got not only a fry pan bottom breakout, but everybody confident now that it's back up above the 50, giving you much stronger probabilities of a good strong uptrend. And the market conditions are basically showing us that the strong sectors, like the electric vehicle sector, continue to trade strong. So this is one of the natural analysis aspects of candlestick analysis. But if we can recognize what sectors are acting the strongest, see that they're continuing to act strong, we can pretty much analyze that this is the market nature right now. The strong sectors are going to continue. This allows for pattern setting up. For example, our recommending QuantumScape, electric vehicle battery maker. You can see how it's bottomed out. It's broken this downtrend. You're getting buy signals. There's your double doji setup. Implication is they're heading for the 50-day moving average. So basically, knowing what the signals and patterns illustrate, which is reoccurring human nature, it puts us in situations where we can analyze which stocks are the strongest, and it can be kind of confirmed by knowing that we're in a strong sector. As well, on the bearish side, we recommended shorting AI today because of the bearish flutter kicker signal. Remember, the kicker signal is your strongest individual candlestick signal. So when you have a bearish flutter kicker signal, which is basically if you took this little flutter out, you've got a kicker signal illustrating there's a lot of selling pressure. So right now, you can pick out which sectors and which stocks to be in with much greater degree of high probability based upon the fact that the NASDAQ stocks, because of the J-hook pattern in the NASDAQ, are likely going to act strong, whereas you might see some weakness over in the Dow related stocks. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.